Credit Money Machine Credit Repair Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of Credit Money Machine. All product links are included in the description below. Credit Money Machine is a professional desktop-based credit repair software built for agencies, consultants, and serious entrepreneurs who want a powerful, feature-rich system to manage client disputes, credit analysis, and business operations. It's available in two main versions: Standard and Professional, both offering an extensive suite of tools. The software supports importing credit reports from all three bureaus, automatic detection of negative items, and generation of dispute letters using built-in and customizable templates, including 609, reinvestigation, and goodwill letters. One standout feature is its comprehensive business management system. It includes client onboarding, CRM tools, billing, scheduling, and detailed reporting. The software even offers affiliate and sales rep tracking, which is useful for scaling operations. It's also multilingual, making it suitable for businesses serving diverse client bases. A major strength is its depth. Credit Money Machine is designed for pros who want total control over every aspect of credit repair, from dispute cycles to follow-up letters to sales automation. It's also a one-time purchase model, which makes it cost-effective in the long run. However, it's not without limitations. Being desktop-based, it lacks cloud accessibility, so you'll be tied to the device it's installed on. It's also PC-only, so Mac users would need to use a virtual machine. The interface is complex and can feel overwhelming for beginners, requiring a learning curve to use it efficiently. Unlike modern SaaS platforms, there's no client portal or mobile access, and integration with credit monitoring services isn't automatic. You'll have to handle credit reports manually. That said, if you're a credit repair business owner who values powerful features over sleek design, and you want a complete in-house system without ongoing monthly fees, Credit Money Machine is one of the most capable tools on the market. It's not for casual users, but for professionals, it delivers serious value. Check the links in the description below for purchase options, demos, and full details.